Amazon just quietly updated their payment policy. And if you don't catch this, your business checking account might get hit unexpectedly with a lot of fees. So if you're selling on Amazon and you're suspended, what happens is Amazon starts charging you more and more and more and more fees. And you don't know where the fees are coming from. They're just coming out of nowhere. And that's just Amazon being Amazon, right? They're just taking all your money. And they're ready to charge you. They're going to charge your credit card on file, if you have a debit card on file, if you have any card on file, if you have a bank account on file, if you have a friend's bank account on file, they're going to try to charge them all. So you need to understand Amazon's policy that does give them the right. So they do have a negative balance policy. They don't mention bank account charges anywhere except in the actual business solutions agreement that you signed technically when you signed up to be a seller. It's a very, very, very long agreement. And if you haven't read it, you probably should at some point, maybe print it out, read a page a day, something like that. But anyway, right here it says, for any amounts that we determine you owe us, we may charge your credit card or any other payment instrument you provide to us. So whatever Amazon has on file, they're going to charge it at some point. Now, usually they charge your credit card for like 30 to 90 days. And if they can't get the money, then they start charging your bank account, but they might just start charging your bank account right away. There's no actual policy on when they're going to charge you, but pretty much they can just charge you at any time. So be aware of that that's pretty much how the process is going to go. Amazon has charge priority. They're going to start charging usually your primary credit card. If that's not working, they're charging the secondary. If that's not working, they're going to your bank account and they're going to be charging your bank account directly and trying to pull all that money back, right? And that's because it's right in their solutions agreement. So you can't really dispute it. But what you could do technically is you could freeze your credit card and then close your bank account. There's not many other options. You could talk to your bank about it, but if your bank account's closed, you're pretty good. You could close your entire credit card too, but usually freezing it does the job. But that's it for today's video. If you need help selling on Amazon, feel free to reach out. You can go into the link right below to contact us or schedule a call. We specialize in plan of actions, listing reinstatement, escalation, helping you on Amazon increase your sales, finding new product, stealth accounts, and much, much more. We specialize in everything Amazon. Just contact EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.